All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show for goldandsilvertoday.com. Check that website out, everybody. Okay, so the dollar has obviously been a massive thorn in our sides as gold and silver stackers. Now, I wanted to compare my moving averages analysis between gold and silver and also the DXY so that we can see where the DXY may be moving in the future, and this will help us essentially mentally prepare for any coming pain or pleasure from the precious metals. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit that like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. Okay, so let's pretty much hop in right in here. So we have the DXY here in that choppy blue line. We also have the 100-day moving average. Well, actually, let's just start here at the choppy blue line. Now, it doesn't take a JP Morgan expert spoofer to see that the overall trend on this 180-day chart is heading to the southeast. Now, I think we all know that the DXY's long-term steam will be kicked out of it, but we're going to see what could possibly happen in the near term. Now, the 50-day moving average represents near-term sentiment, right? So that's what we have here in the black. The 100-day moving average represents medium-term sentiment, and the 200-day moving average represents long-term sentiment, and that's going to be there in the orange. Oh, and the green line here is the 100-day moving average. Okay, so let me start by saying that the 200-day, it crossed above the 50-day around July 3rd, right around here. And then it crossed above the 100-day around August 8th. And, that was near the time when gold and silver hit their all-time and near-time highs, respectively. So that already lets us know that the DXY has long-term bearish sentiment. But again, what about the near term? Well, the DXY crossed above the black 50-day moving average around September 21st. Up until now, it's hovered above it. Trying to create a support out of it, currently at the 93.31 level. But take a look at the green 100-day moving average. It looks like it really wants to cross below that 50-day moving average right below it. And the 50-day looks like it wants to cross into and curve upwards. Now, if this pattern continues, what that could be, it could be positive near-term signal for the DXY. Now, why is this important? Well, remember our old buddy the VIX? Well, it's been the biggest short-term booster for the DXY in recent days, and many are expecting it to rise just before and possibly after the election. Now, if that happens, the DXY will surely rise on top of that. Now, wouldn't it be interesting if that 50 and 100-day moving average for the DXY began to come together around that time, indicating near-term dollar bullishness? But what's really interesting about all of this is actually this. All right, just waiting for it to load up here. All right. So gold is actually showing near-term bearishness between its 50-day and 100-day moving average. Now, wouldn't it be a crazy turn of events if they happened to cross around that time as well as the DXY near the election season? So based on all of this, I'm not telling you what to do at all here. Obviously seek a professional financial advisor, but as your headless hostman here, what I plan on doing during this time is to keep some fiat on the side, ready to pounce on this possibility here of potential downside prices for gold and even silver. Now, remember, this isn't a guarantee. Anything could happen, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing. But guys, let me know what you think about all of this information here between the dollars moving averages and golds as well. Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion for goldandsilvertoday.com.